Unlocking the secrets of real estate, what every home seller should know. Hey, it's Dave Hook over the Dave Hook Real Estate team, Keller Williams of Central PA. And I want to talk about this because home sellers, people thinking about selling their home, often struggle with a lot of uncertainty and fear and anxiety about next steps. Picture this. You're ready to sell your home because you've had a life change happen to you. You know that you want to buy a home, so you start doing some window shopping. 6 months later, you're still doing window shopping. Maybe you met a couple real estate agents at houses, but financially, you just haven't figured out the peace of mind to get you to the finish line. And you don't realize that there's actually 5 steps from the time you want to sell your home till you end up in your dream home with your home sold and in a good financial position. The answer to those 5 steps and relief from that anxiety and fear and uncertainty is always a real estate agent who's full-time with experience that you can trust. And we do 4 to 5 free consultations for home sellers just like you every single week. Not all of them move forward and sell their home with us, and we're still happy to do them so that we can explain the 5 steps so you know what to do to sell your home and get into that dream home. And then you can decide who you want to work with, whether that's us or somebody else in the market that you feel comfortable with. For that free strategy session, that consultation, just click the info below. One of our salespeople will come out and help you get to those 5 steps and get you pointed in the right direction.